Hey tech fans, running out of Google Drive or Gmail space? In just few minutes, we'll show you how to clear it fast in 2025. If this helps, smash that like and subscribe button, and let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to one.google.com/drive. Here you'll see how much space you have left. Mine's almost full. Look at the breakdown to check what's taking space. Gmail, Drive, or Photos. To clear space, let's tackle Gmail. Choose Gmail. You'll see a list of emails sorted by size, biggest ones first. Want a filter? Click the filter icon and select larger than 20 megabytes or any size you want. Now pick the emails you don't need. Check the boxes on the left. Hit the trash can icon to delete them. Head to your Gmail trash, select those emails again, and click Delete Permanently to free up space instantly. Done. Check one.google.com/drive again to see your new space. Pro tip, empty your trash weekly to keep it clear. That's it, folks. Like, subscribe,